Hello all, my name is Krish Naik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this particular video, I'm just going to discuss about the updated 3 months roadmap for data science preparation with videos and materials. So here you'll also be able to get all the videos in order and all the materials that I have probably created for you in YouTube. Okay. And this specific plan is important whenever you're preparing for data science or any other technology, because once you have this roadmap in mind, you just have to go ahead and refer the videos and quickly keep on practicing. Here I've taken as 3 months. Usually, if I talk about at an average, you'll be able to cover that entire syllabus in 4 to 6 months. But still, I'm saying 3 months over here because let's say if you are able to devote somewhere around 4 to 5 hours daily with practice, I think 3 months will be sufficient if you follow this specific order of playlist. As usual, whenever I say that, whenever you prepare data science, there are something that you really need to cover first of all. One, programming language. So in this particular case, I've taken Python programming language. I have an amazing playlist with respect to Python where I've covered more than 50 plus videos. And I have also made sure that I created Python in Hindi, right? For the Hindi speaking audience. So if you're also interested into this, you can definitely check out. Here I have uploaded 20 videos. And the videos that I have specifically uploaded will be more than sufficient to play with data science projects in short, right? I've included modular programming and many more. So first section is obviously Python. Now coming to the second section, I basically talk about statistics, right? Now, statistics is super important, guys. Now, one amazing thing, guys, that what I've done is that, like every year, I try to update the content with respect to machine learning, deep learning, statistics, and everything. So, whatever playlist now you will be seeing, you'll also be having that updated playlist. And in the updated playlist, I have made sure that I've covered most of the things, everything in detail with additional knowledge from the experience that I've gained from teaching itself. So here is the statistics playlist. In statistics playlist, I have 7 days statistics live session, and this is the recent one. And probably if you just try to see this is the playlist that I was talking about, right? Here you have 7 days of live session. Every day, like I was taking somewhere around 1.5 hours, and here I have covered everything that may be related to data science. So you don't have to go anywhere with respect to materials, and all materials is given in the description. You just have to go ahead and refer it. And here you can see that amazing views have actually come up over here. See the number of likes that people have definitely liked this specific video. Other than that, I've also created statistics in Hindi, right? So if you probably go and see this, I've uploaded 15 videos and I'll keep on updating whenever I get time in Hindi also. And here you'll be able to see all the detailed videos also, part by part, I've actually explained. Okay. So statistics, and obviously detailed statistics playlist where I had 43 videos, I have also uploaded that. Okay. So see this order, you have tremendous amount of materials, you can start just learning. Then you have EDA playlist. EDA playlist, here I have specifically 2 EDA playlists, and I have also taken live EDA of 4 days, where I've specifically covered each and every techniques with respect to EDA and feature engineering. So you can also definitely check out this particular playlist. And here is what is the entire playlist itself, right? With respect to everything. So here also you'll be able to get the videos and the materials. Then coming to the feature engineering part, now complete detailed feature engineering, as I suggested, right? It has already been uploaded over here. Along with that, I also have a live EDA feature engineering playlist. So you can also refer to this. Now this playlist, many people were asking about feature selection, but if you don't know, I've also created a feature selection playlist. So here is all the feature selection playlist. There are around 6 videos, and I think it covers most of the feature selection techniques. But as I see new techniques, I'll keep on uploading the video over here. Okay. So, and then you have this machine learning. Now, what is so interesting about machine learning? The recent live ML playlist that I have actually completed, guys, this have really like the kind of videos that I have actually explained in this, and the number of algorithms that I've covered every algorithm: theoretical, mathematical intuition, practical implementation, everything. So if you just follow this playlist, right, obviously I have a playlist which has more than 70-80 videos, right, detailed completely. But still I would suggest go ahead, and because many people want to go for the interview quickly, they want to prepare for it, these 7 days will definitely give you a tremendous amount of knowledge. Here I've continuously taken 2 hours session, 1.5 hours session, and explained each and every algorithm with the working and all. Now, in some of my previous video, I had made some silly mistakes, but here none of that kind of mistakes exist. So this is a super important playlist. Okay. And I'm just showing you the updated playlist, not the older playlist. The older playlist, definitely you can check it from out from here. Apart from that, I have also created a Hindi ML playlist also. So you can definitely check out the link from here. Deep learning also, I've done 5 days live deep learning sessions, So here you'll be able to see all the videos, right? So every implementation is there. And currently, right now, NLP is also going on, live NLP playlist. And probably I've covered somewhere around 11 days, and we'll be having 12 days, 13 days, 14 days like that. We'll be trying to cover it. Okay. And these are all the things that you basically require. And just imagine if you have all the content at one place, if you have all the material at one place, you just have to do the preparation. But still, there are people who are from non-programming, non-technical background, and even from technical background, they still want hand holding. They want many things as such, right? They want doubt clearing sessions, supports, and all. So what we have done is that in iNeuron, we have come up with Tech Neuron, which is having 200 plus courses, and right now it is available for lifetime warranty. So the price is just 10,000 rupees. So live classes included. You have more than 250 plus courses and everything. You can also use Krish 20 to get 20% off, and 8,000 rupees you get all these things. Along with that, the next course that we are launching is Full Stack Data Science Bootcamp with job guaranteed, right? So here also you can probably here is the entire course, right? And this is job guaranteed program that is starting from September 17th September 2022. So you can also go through this. You can get all the guidance that is basically required, and here we basically provide job guaranteed, otherwise we return your money, right? And yes, definitely check it out. And again, you want 20% off, use Krish 20, you'll be able to get it. And this offer is only till Sunday, guys. After that, all these offers will go off with respect to Tech Neuron and all, and you will not even be getting 20% off. So utilize this opportunity if you have time. Okay. So yes, this was it for my side. I hope you like this updated roadmap playlist for data science. I'll make sure that this playlist will get updated as I keep on updating. And here also you can see I've updated the Krish 20 coupon code also. So yes, I will see you all in the next video. Please make sure that you share this with everyone. Whoever can't enroll to costly courses, they can definitely get a lot of guidance from this kind of videos that I've actually created. So yes, I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.